Hello students, so now today we are going to see exercise 2.1 and I have taken 3 questions to get the principal value of all these 3 inverse trigonometric functions. So now without wasting our time, let us see how to find the principal value. So here the very first question is what? Sine inverse minus 1 by 2. So let sine inverse minus 1 by 2 is equal to y. Therefore, sine y will be minus 1 by 2. Sine y will be minus 1 by 2 and sine y, this can be written as minus, this can be written as sine minus, for which value? Minus pi by 3. Sine 30 is what? 1 by 2. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. So as you know, we have to write, as we know that principal value branch for sine inverse is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Therefore, principal value of sine inverse minus 1 by 2 is minus pi by 3. Is minus pi by 3. Why minus pi by 3? Because minus pi by 3 belongs to the range principal value branch minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Similarly, we can see here also cosec inverse 2. So let cosec inverse 2 is equal to y. Therefore, cosec y is equal to 2 and this can be cosec y is equal to, for which value of cosec, the value should be 2, that should be also for 30 degree only. So this will be cosec pi by 3. So again we have to write, as we know that principal value, insert I am writing principal value branch for cosec inverse is same minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 except 0. Okay, except 0. Therefore, principal value of cosec inverse 2 is pi by 3. Is what? Pi by 3. क्या होगा बेटा? Pi by 3. As you know, sine 30 is what? Sine 30 degree is what? 1 by 2. So cosec 30 will be reverse of it. So this will be 2. So 30 it means pi by 6. Pi by 6. This should be pi by 6. All this should be pi by 6. Okay. 30 means pi by 6. So this will be your answer for these two questions. In last question, you can see, let cos inverse minus 1 by 2 is equal to y. So cos y will be minus 1 by 2. So cos y will be cos minus, for which value? Here pi by 3. Cos of minus pi by 3. So this can be written as cos y is equal to minus cos pi by 3. This we have seen, cos of minus theta, cos theta. Cos of minus theta will be cos theta. I told you the one formula, that was cos inverse minus theta was pi minus cos inverse theta. But here this is cos of minus theta, and earlier classes we have studied cos of minus theta is what? Cos theta. But here you can see the value is coming what? Pi by 2, pi by 3. But range, principal range for cos inverse is what? principal range for cos inverse is what? 0 to pi. So that is not, so as we know, or this can be written as here, okay. So cos y can be cos pi minus pi by 3, cos pi minus pi by 3. For minus something we did, it should be like this, cos of minus cos pi by 3, it should be like this. This can be written as minus cos pi minus pi by 3, so this will be minus cos 2 pi by 3, okay. Now one more time, cos, this is minus 1 by 2, this should be cos minus cos pi by 3, 61 by 2, this will be minus 1 by 2. Pi by 3, as you know, does not belongs to range of cos principal value branches of cos inverse. So what we can write this, pi minus pi by 3, okay. This can be written as pi minus pi by 3. So this will be what? Cos 2 pi by 3. This minus cos pi minus theta is minus cos theta, second quadrant will be minus, so this minus and this minus will be get cancelled out. So cos y should be cos 2 pi by 3. Therefore principal value of cos inverse minus 1 by 2 is 2 pi by 3, is 2 pi by 3, okay. I hope you understand. Now we are taking some other questions. Suppose I am taking one more question, that is what? Now the next question is question number 11, that is tan inverse 1 plus cos inverse minus 1 by 2 plus sin inverse minus 1 by 2, okay. Chalo. Now see this question, we can use the formula also, don't worry. Tan inverse 1, if separately we want to solve, so again we have to write, let tan inverse 1 is equal to y, so this will be tan y is equal to 1. Tan y can be written as tan pi by 4, so therefore y is equal to pi by 4. Theta, angle came pi by 4. Then is now cos inverse minus 1 by 2 is equal to y. Suppose again cos y is equal to, or any else, theta. So cos theta is what? Cos theta is equal to minus 1 by 2. So this cos theta can be written as minus cos pi by 3, okay, minus cos pi by 3, cos pi by 3, theta will be minus pi by 3, but that does not belongs. So therefore again the same which we solved for the in the previous question, this can be written as what? Cos theta is equal to minus cos pi minus pi by 3. So this will give us cos theta is equal to cos 2 pi by 3, therefore theta is equal to 2 pi by 3. And the third one, sin inverse, again sin inverse minus 1 by 2 is equal to alpha, therefore sin alpha is equal to minus 1 by 2. Sin alpha is equal to what? Minus 1 by 2. So sin alpha minus sin pi by 6. sin pi by 6. Okay, so this can alpha will give us minus pi by 6. Now put all these three values in the given question. So we can write on putting, suppose this was equation A, in equation A, tan inverse 1 pi by 4 plus 2 pi by 3 minus pi by 6. So this will give us LCM will be 12. So 4 3s are plus 3 4 8 pi minus 6 to 2 pi. So 8 3 11 minus 2 9 pi by 12. Then again 3 4 ja, so this will be 3 pi by 4 answer. So answer will be what? 3 pi by 4. Answer will be 3 pi by 4. Okay, so this is the way to find. And one more thing, this we can find with the help of the formula. Here I am explaining again, don't be confused. This was what? Cos inverse minus 1 by 2. So that cos inverse minus theta we know, that is what? Pi minus cos inverse theta. So this can be written as pi minus cos inverse 1 by 2. So this can be pi minus. Now see why we are doing pi minus pi by 3. Okay, हो सकता है आपको डाउट हो कि पाई माइनस पाई बाई 3 तो ये नहीं देता हमको, क्यों करते हैं? क्योंकि हमारा फार्मूला है पाई. अब बताओ कॉस इनवर्स की कॉस की वैल्यू 1/2 कब होगी? 60 डिग्री पे. किस पे? 60, मतलब पाई बाई 3. सो दिस विल गिव अस 2 पाई बाई 3. इसलिए यहाँ से ये 2 पाई बाई 3 आता है. ठीक है, यहाँ से आपका ये 2 पाई बाई 3 आता है. ये आपका क्वेश्चन. सो एंड द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 12th one is similar to the 11th one only, and rest of the questions are very easy for this exercise. You can practice at home. If you feel any doubt, kindly you can message, post your comment. Please do like and subscribe this channel for more videos. Thank you.